Fingerprint not working on your Samsung? It's frustrating, but don't worry. In this video, we'll show you 9 easy ways to fix it, from simple cleaning to advanced tips. Part 1. Why has my fingerprint ID stopped working on Samsung? Possible causes for fingerprint issues: dirty or wet fingers, scars or injuries, dust or smudges on the sensor, screen protector interference, software or firmware bugs, extreme temperatures, hardware failure. Part 2. Fix Samsung fingerprint sensor not working in 8 ways. Fix 1. Clean the sensor and fingers. For fingers, wash with soap and warm water, then dry completely. Avoid lotions or creams that leave a residue. For sensor, wipe with a microfiber cloth. Use a small amount of rubbing alcohol. Fix 2. Reconfigure the fingerprint. Go to Settings, Security, Biometrics, Fingerprints. Remove existing prints. Restart the phone. Re-add prints by following the prompts, scanning from different angles. Fix 3. Remove your screen protector. Peel off and clean the screen. Test the sensor. Use a Samsung approved protector if needed. Fix 4. Enter safe mode. Hold power, tap power off to enter safe mode. Test the sensor if it works. A third-party app is the cause. Restart to exit safe mode. Fix 5. Wipe cache partition. Turn off your device. Hold power plus volume up to enter recovery mode. Select Wipe cache partition and confirm with power. Restart by selecting Reboot System now. Fix 6. Factory reset Samsung. Backup data. Go to Settings, General Management, Reset. Tap Factory Data Reset. Read the warning and confirm. Select Delete All to reset. Fix 7. Restart your phone. Fix 8. Update the software. Connect to Wi-Fi and ensure 50% battery. Go to Settings, Software Update. Tap Download and install, then follow on-screen instructions. Part 3. Fix Samsung or Android fingerprint unlock not working expertly. If the fingerprint sensor fails and you can't access your phone with the password, Android Unlock Wiper allows easy bypass, giving you full control, regardless of the authentication method. Step 1. Start by downloading and installing this tool on your computer. If you are using a Samsung device, select the option Remove Without Data Loss and follow the on-screen prompts to continue. For devices from other brands, choose Remove Screen Lock and click Start. Step 2. Connect your device to the computer using a USB cable. The software will automatically detect your device's information. Verify that the displayed details are correct. If you notice any discrepancies, you can adjust the information before proceeding by clicking Start to unlock. Step 3. The product will download and install the necessary data package onto your device. After this, please follow the on-screen instructions to reset your device. Step 4. Once the installation is complete, your phone will enter recovery mode. To finalize the fingerprint unlocking, simply adhere to the instructions displayed on your computer screen.